All right, we have the dreaded generic pepper grinder. This one is from Publix. It is plastic. I know McCormick has a glass and plastic. This should still work the same. How can you recycle this? How can you reuse it? How can you get the top off? In my case, I want to take the peppers out of here, the unground peppers, and put it in my electric one right here. And I don't want to use this thing because it's really not the best. It's just a pain in the butt. And they are not reusable by design. So what do you do? I just tried this and it worked. I have my little coffee maker. I just heated up some water with it. Boom. So I got some hot water right here. All I did was just put the the bottle in like this, just up to the edge, the rim, right? I actually counted to 30 seconds. Let the hot water get it right around the rim. You don't need to submerge it all. It is hot water. Once that's done after 30 seconds, come on out. And you can either, get rid of the hot water so you don't burn yourself. I'm just going to pour that out. What you can do now is what I did. I just gently pried it with a knife, right? Just really gentle on both sides. Just rotate it. And once I got far enough, you can just pull it up. I got one hand here, so I'm going to try this here. One-handed. Can you see this? Watch. And then just gently pulls off. And then you spill some kernels. Look at that. And you can then reuse this if you want to reuse the bottle. Fill it back up. But for me, I want to get the kernels out and put them into my new grinder and go with that. Look at that. A 2-minute video on to do something useful. These are designed to be throwaway. They are not designed to be reused. And they want you to buy them because that's how the stores make money. But why not? It's plastic, it's grinder. You can, like I said, take out the kernels, use them for something else in an electric grinder. Or if this is empty, all the much easier. You don't have to worry about spilling kernels everywhere. Empty, you get kernels, buy them in a bulk or whatever, fill it back up, boom, put the grinder, pops right back on. It's just the rim this thing is sitting over. And it pops right off, pops right on, and you can reuse it. All right, hope that helps. Yeah, stupid little tip, but it'll save you money and hassle, right? These things are a couple bucks, And there is actually an arrow. No, that's just the lip. I thought there was an arrow. There is no external markings like on the McCormick one, which has arrows, and then you can pop the top off. This is plastic, heat it up to the rim, and boom, pry it off gently with a knife, and pull the rest away. It comes right off. All right, enough about that. Not rocket science, but it was just driving me nuts that I had this grinder, and it really kind of sucks to use it. It doesn't really do that great of a job, so that's why I got the electric one. All right, see you in the next one. Boom.